right, welcome back to my channel. My Popflex leggings came in. They're the replacements or the swaps. So if you watched my last video on fashion haul leggings, Popflex versus Victoria's Secret, I ended up returning Popflex because the material was just the material was great, but I wouldn't say it was too big, but it was scrunchy and like I just had all this extra material. So I ordered a smaller size. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I got two colors. I got black and slate. The slate's actually 23 inches in length and then this one's 25. So let's see the difference. All right, so these are the leggings. A lot better. There's still a little bit of bunching, but that's nothing compared to the other size. So the last time I got an extra large, these are a large. I like them. I'm a little nervous for the slate because this is 25 inches and it's right at the ankle. That means 23 is gonna be like a little capri. So let's see what happens. You know what? I think I'm actually shorter than I think. The 23 inseam is a lot better, I feel. There's less material. Answered my own questions, but yeah, these are the replacements. Now I know I'm a 23. I would return the black one, but when I was replacing them, they sell out so fast. So like they give you your options, and like you click on your size and then you click on the size and the color, and of course the color will show you what's sold out, what's not. So for the slate colored one, these awesome ones, these only had the 23 option inseam for the size I needed. So that's how I ended it with a 23. I thought I was a 25 inseam. Obviously I'm wrong. But yeah, when I clicked on that one, they had that one. So that's why I got two different inseams. But I like them and I'm gonna keep these size. I'm even gonna keep the 25 because you know what? It's just a little, and it's always one leg that has a little extra gather than the other. It's so random. But I like it. Let me know what you think. And as always, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.